Go get it.
You know Paul Frank?
So put it on the floor, man.
Yes, the car goes in the back.
Open it, Connor. Open it. Shake it up, right? Or shake the...
He packed him in there really well.
Yeah. What's that?
What is that? What is that?
I think you should just grab it. Rich has one too.
Connor! What, you amused or no? I can't tell. Is he amused?
I can't tell it. Look at his face. Yeah? Come on, Uncle Richard, take it out of the box. Hurry, go get it. Oh, he's so excited.
How do you get it out of here?
Uncle Richard. 2.5 kids.